Kitty cat. You're afraid of me? Hi Fez, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's the weekend. I'm feeling hurt this morning, I don't know why. I guess every time I pick up the camera I'm in this mood. Anyway, you guys, it's the weekend. It's Saturday, so happy Saturday. So you know what we do on the weekend. We go out, we spend family time together, we try to explore as much as we can possibly explore. Baby's driving, Tyler is in the back chilling with his cute self. You want to say hi, Tyler? Say hello. Say hello. No hello, you're just sucking your pussy. Give them kisses. Hey. You guys, ooh, the lighting. So this morning we are actually on our way to the supermarket to do some shopping. I need fresh fruits and vegetables this morning, so I'm going to the fruit and vegetable supermarket first, and then I'm going to head to the grocery supermarket and get some stocks, and then excuse me, I'm not really tired, so I don't know why I'm yawning. I guess because I woke up really late last night. I went out and ran last night on another note, so that was awesome. I got my workout in yesterday. Yeah, going to the supermarket, and then we're gonna head back home and head right out again because we're going to do some exploring today, exploring this beautiful city because it has so much to offer. We have so much to see, and it's just the beginning. It's summer, which means that no staying inside. So yeah, that's what's up right now. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the Jamaican expression for today since I'm talking to you guys already. So the Jamaican expression for today is drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Ready, 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 ready? Sure, ready? All right. The Jamaican expression for today is make we go over this so. That simple means let's go over there. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. And of course Babes will give you his take on the expression later. So yeah, make sure you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Stay positive, stay vibrant. Stay positive, stay vibrant, stay beautiful, be careful, be good, and if you can't be good, then I don't know what else to tell you to do. Okay? Alright, you guys, we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Merci. Bravo! Good job. Good job. You guys, we are back from the supermarket, and of course our little helper helped us to unpack all the goodies from the store. And I didn't even vlog in the stores because when I say the stores were full, especially the fruits and vegetable store, I've never seen it that full before. The lines were long and we just wanted to get in and out. And it was also Tyler lunchtime, so I had to leave baby in the store and go feed him and stuff like that. But now we're about to have something to eat and head right back out on the road. So you guys keep up. We'll catch you in a bit.
Hi guys, back home, just unpack, about to eat, then get ready to leave again.
The Jamaican expression today was make we go over this, so
Make
we go over this, so
this.
say
I make you go over this.
tell her, you want to caca?
I make you go over this.
Right, you want to caca?
Hi guys, catch you guys soon.
Hey, hey, hey. We are at the bus stop. We're waiting on the bus, you guys, to be on our way to our destination. We're down by the beach waiting on the bus, and a second bus to go to town to the tourism office. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day out, and there's so much people out here on the beach. And as expected, it is so full of tourists, people taking pictures and selfies, and it's just crazy when you live in a tourist destination. Or I shouldn't say it's crazy, it's amazing to see all these tourists and everybody enjoying the city when you say, yes, I live here. Don't it? No?
Yeah.
It's cool to know that you live in such a beautiful city, and everybody is excited to be where you are, and you're here every day. So there's an area in the park where we are right now, where the water is purified and it's chlorine and it's clean and everything. It's like where the fountain is, where the kids are just playing and running around and look super cute. So we're gonna take Tyler there to see if he would go in the water. So this is the section, you guys, and its stretch goes all the way up there, and there's so much kids out here just running around and playing in this water. It just looks so cute. So let's see if Tyler wanna go play. I think I'm having more fun than Tyler is having. But he's enjoying himself. It's coming, it's coming! So we actually had so much fun at the water park. Tyler had so much fun. Look at him with his hair all wet still. Yes, you had a lot of fun. And now we're actually stopping for a beer break as per usual. So we're having our favorite manako and fries for Tyler. So yeah, we're just here chilling. The water. Yes, baby. Shh. The water park was so much fun. I think I had more fun than Tyler. We had a really good time. We are home. We are home, you guys, and it was such a fun day out. We had so much fun at the water park, and there's so many kids. Stella had too much fun. He's knocked out. He's knocked out sleeping. He didn't have dinner. We got home just around his dinner time and he didn't have dinner. He knocked out just as we were stepping off the bus to walk into the house. He just knocked out and he's right here sleeping. You guys can see his foot. He's right here. I didn't even put him in his bed. I just put him down into the couch and take off his shoes. So he's just sleeping away. And Babe and I just here doing barbecue. We're not that hungry, so we're just going to have some chicken and sausage for dinner. We're not even going to have any veggies or not like that. That's what we feel for, and that's what we're gonna have. My first experience living in such a touristic area, so the experience is new, and it feels good to know that you live in an area where you get all these experiences and you don't have to go too far to do all these adventures. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool experience. The water park was pretty interesting. Tella and I always pass there, and I always try for him to touch the water, but he's always afraid. But today he kind of warm up a little bit, so by going back each time, I'm sure he'll even have more fun. He had such a good time.
French expression for today will be poulet. So poulet is, well, the main expression for poulet is chicken. But
The main expression or
yeah,
the
main
meaning?
expression, the meaning of poulet is chicken. But person also call as a bad way the cup poulet, like chicken. Police, if you see police, they call them chicken. Poulet.
Okay.
It's like, I don't know if in English you call it in a bad way. You don't
No, we have bad way to call them, but
Right.
not poulet.
call them poulet. If someone say le poulet,
They're talking about the police.
police. If you say le poulet or du poulet, mean food, chicken.
Okay.
So that's a real expression.
Alright.
Say it.
poulet.
Poulet, okay.
Poulet. So there you guys have the French expression for today. French expression for today is poulet, and like he says, a rude way of calling police in French is le poulet. Le poulet. Le poulet. Le means the. So it's the chicken. The chicken. How rude to call the police the chicken. That's so not nice. Someone commented and asked to pronounce our surname. So I promised the person, I don't remember your name, I am so sorry, but I'm sure you know who you are. Comment down in the person commented down in the comment section and says to pronounce our name, and we always get this question asking us to pronounce our name properly. So I'm going to let Babe do it in his French accent, and then I'm going to do it in my English accent, so you guys can have the pronunciation of our surname and our channel.
Now, in French, just to make a little help, the EAU we say O, so it's Delaveaus in French.
So our channel name is
The Delaveaus.
right.
Because Delaveaus with S Delaveaus.
Right. Okay, you guys, so there you have it from the French accent perspective. So our surname is Delaveaus, and our channel name is The Delaveaus. Get it? Make sure you get it. So it's not hard, it's just because the French letter pronunciation have a specific accent. So it's not Delaveaus, it's not Delaveaus, it's not Delaveaus, or how some people would call it. It's Delaveaus, not Delaveaus. Vo. Okay. So there you guys have the pronunciation of our name. Hopefully this helped you guys who are struggling to pronounce our name.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and especially good night. It's
Puppy. Puppy.
No.
No.
He's awake now and he's making so much noise, waking up the entire neighborhood. I don't know if you guys can hear him in the background. He's so noisy and loud. But I'm about to put him back to bed right this minute. Because I'm tired and I need to get some rest, because tomorrow is also going to be a long, busy and eventful day. So make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. It's gonna be a fun one.
It was a good day. We didn't really do what we wanted to do, but we did some other thing that was really fun, especially Tyler. So yeah, that has been a good day, and what we wanted to do today, we're gonna do it in the future. So
Yeah, we
yeah,
have
look, so everything okay. It's still pretty hot outside, and hopefully tomorrow will be the same. So we can carry you guys and show you some very good things.
Yeah, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and hear Tyler loud in the background. Tyler, shh. Give this video a thumbs up, catch up and keep up, and subscribe if you are new, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Blow them kisses. Good boy. It's time to go to bed, right? Yes. Good.